Come test drive the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.